How do you fix Rune Dice is crashing on Steam? So first you want to right click on the game in your library, open up the properties. In the general tab you want to add -dx11 to the launch options, and then you want to go to installed files and verify the game files. Next you can close Steam and then open up your browser and go to this link which is in the description below. And from this table here, you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64 installer. And this will install the redistributables and require you to restart your computer. Now, right after the restart, what you need to do is check if you have the latest GPU driver update. So based on your GPU, you can either use NVIDIA app or AMD software. And from here, check for updates and download and install the latest driver update. And now all you need to do is right click on Steam and run as admin and just launch the game from your library, and that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.